Hello guys, this is Elias with Soulfly, and in this video we are going to quickly export metabox custom fields to an XML file using WP All Export. Now guys, to get started, we need a post type, and in this video we have this one called restaurants. You can see that here, and you can see that we have a bunch of simple text fields, couple of time pickers, date picker, radius, checkboxes, select fields. This one is a image advanced field. And we even have clonable groups here, right? So we have a variety of fields. So let's select that from here, restaurants. And I'm gonna just click here on customize export file. And here is our export template. Now guys, like I said before, this is gonna be a super quick export. If you wanna know more about how to do something more specific, like, I don't know, maybe you're running cron jobs or scheduling your exports with the automatic scheduling, running PHP functions, creating more complex layouts here in the export template, you can check out the other videos in our channel or check out our website at wplimport.com. You will find a lot more info there. For now, let's just continue here. And since we're exporting this in an XML format, we need to change the export type. Because by default, the export type is going to be CSV file, but you can change that to Excel or XML feed. Now, for XML feeds, we have simple XML and we have custom XML feed. The difference here is that with the simple XML, you can just drag and drop the stuff from here, like so, and you will see the preview here. While as the custom XML has a slightly different format, right? You can modify this, add or remove elements as you want, and generally speaking, it gives you a lot more flexibility, right? Now, like I said before, we have other videos for this, so let's go back to simple XML. All right, and from here, we don't need the ID, so I'm gonna just click on it and get rid of that. And I'm gonna also get rid of this map address, right? Because I want all of these fields. And since that's the case, let me zoom in real quick. I'm gonna just drag and drop this first element that says restaurants info. Now this is the whole group. So if I do that, all of the fields contained in that group will be added automatically, right? Pretty cool. Now guys, here we can do a lot of stuff. Maybe we can change the column names here, the element name to say name, why not? And for this content one, maybe we can call it description. And if you preview again, you will see that these changes have taken place already, right? So it's pretty cool. We can even maybe reorder this. So maybe we put the rating here, the cuisine too, and maybe it can be the price range, why not? And the average price, and maybe the gallery. And if we preview, you can see that the order of these columns have is following this same order, right? So again, guys, you can do all sorts of crazy stuff here with the export template. So if this is something that interests you, just go nuts here. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna continue. And this is good. So let's click on this button. And this is some advanced options for exports. So the first ones are the scheduling options, and this is cool for when you need to, I don't know, say schedule your exports to run maybe on a daily basis, or maybe once a week, once a month, 2 times a month, or whatever you need. You can schedule it here. And you have the automatic scheduling, right, which is a paid service, guys. And so if you don't want to subscribe to this, that's fine. You can use cron jobs, which are free. They're just a little bit more technical. For now, I'm going to choose do not schedule. Close this up. These other options are pretty much self-explanatory. So if you read them, you will know what they do. For instance, let's take this one that says export each restaurant in real time as they are created. Well, you guessed it. If you create a new restaurant, it will just be exported when this export runs. That's the gist of it, right? So only export restaurants once. Again, same situation. And well, all of these others, you can just read them. And if you want, you can hover on the question marks and you will know what they do in more detail, right? Now this is looking good. I'm gonna run with the default settings, and I'm just gonna confirm and run this. All right, it should be fairly quick as we don't have that much data. So let's just give it a few seconds. All right, so our export is complete. So you can download your file here. You can generate a secure URL that you can share with anyone. And if they paste that URL in their browsers, the file is gonna just show up there, right? That's pretty cool. Now, guys, we also have here the discussional panel again, and we have the external labs tab. Now, this external labs is basically Zapier, and what you can do with Zapier is connect WPL export with tons of other apps, right? So maybe you can send an email with the file, or upload that file to Dropbox, to Google Drive, to maybe an external ERP, or do whatever crazy stuff you want with Zapier. Just be sure to check out this video if this is something that interests you. And if not, just download the file, like so. And you can open it just to make sure it is looking good. And that's the case. We have here name, description, rating, cuisine, price range, average price, gallery, map address, and all of the other elements we set up in our export template. So there you have it, guys. It's that easy to export metabox custom fields to an XML file using WPL export. If you want to know more about how to import or export these kinds of data, or if maybe you're using ACF, JetEngine, or maybe you have a WooCommerce store and you want to export the orders, the customers, products, coupons, reviews, whatever you have in your store, you can import and export it with WPL import and WPL export. Just be sure to check out the other videos in our channel and check out our website at wplimport.com. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.